Racing just is started. West Dream break quickly at the start, running by the rail comes Alta's Choice. Queen of Class comes next. Papi's Diamond, Sweet Julian Promise, while Barkadahan is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch, we have Alta's Choice moving upon the yards, and now is Papi's Diamond. West Dream comes next. Queen of Class, then comes Sweet Julian Promise comes next, while Barkadahan is still running at the tail of the field. Back to the leader, Alta's Choice, Papi's Diamond. West Dream is watching in third, and in fourth now is a Queen of Class, Promise, and Sweet Julian comes next, while Barkadahan now racing in less than a fourth turn. We have Alta's Choice, Papi's Diamond. West Dream is running by the rail, then here comes Queen of Class now arriving at the scene, and Diana entering the home stretch. The lead now belongs to West Dream by about 2 lengths, and in second Alta's Choice. Queen of Class now moving upon the outside. West Dream followed now by Queen of Class on the outside, and finally West Dream, Queen of Class, Alta's Choice, Papi's Diamond, Promise.
Number 7, West Dream. Ang unofficial winner natin for race number 4, ridden by apprentice Carlo Espinolio. Then segundo, yung number 5, Queen of Class. Tercera yung 6, Alta's Choice. At para sa inyong quartet, number 3, Papi's Diamond. Panoorin natin ng instant replay itong race number 4.
Ang bahaging ito ay hatid sa inyo ng Katialis.